Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your corporate structure with LegalZoom, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of transferring your corporate structure with LegalZoom, visit the LegalZoom website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Select the option for business services. Choose the appropriate service for transferring your corporate structure. Fill out the necessary information about your business, including your current corporate structure. Provide details regarding the new structure you wish to adopt. Review any specific requirements or documentation needed for your transfer. Complete the online questionnaire, ensuring all information is accurate and up to date. Once you have completed the questionnaire, proceed to the payment section. Submit your payment to initiate the process. LegalZoom will prepare the necessary documents based on the information you provided. You will receive a confirmation email once your order is processed. After your documents are prepared, they will be sent to you for review. Take the time to carefully review all documents for accuracy. Follow any specific instructions provided for the submission of your new corporate structure. Once you have verified all information is correct, sign the documents as required. Return the signed documents to LegalZoom according to their instructions. LegalZoom will file the necessary documents with the appropriate state authorities. You will receive updates on your filing status through email. Once the transfer is complete, you can access your new corporate structure information through your LegalZoom account. Keep all documents related to the transfer for your records. If you have any questions during the process, reach out to LegalZoom's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.